When it comes to replacing our teeth with complete dentures, with removable dentures, what is the best form of replacement? Many times, implants are not the only option to replace teeth. Sometimes patients choose to get a removable options done. Either for many years they have been wearing removable dentures, or for some reason, medical or otherwise, they are not able to have implants done, a fixed replacement done. So then we choose a removable option. So when it comes to removable option, what will be the best option? This is what we will be looking in this video. Hello, this is Dr. Arun from Pearls Dentistry, running a dental center since 2001 in Rajanamalaipuram, Chennai. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel and we'll be very grateful to that. So let's get into the video. So when it comes to replacing missing teeth with dentures, complete dentures, there are few things which we need to consider. What are those few things? Firstly, we need to see how the denture base or the plate attaches itself to our gums or the mucosa. How securely it is held in place by the mucosa. For it to be held securely in place in our mucosa, it is very important we capture these the exact nature of the mucosa in a very functional manner so that it helps to capture it accurately. That is one. The second most important thing is when it comes to a removable denture, how our teeth are going to be positioned when it comes to us. So teeth position not only helps to improve the aesthetics, the overall appearance, how we look and how our face is going to look when we smile, when we speak. Teeth appearance is also very important for us, which will help us to hold the dentures in place, because our lips, our cheeks, our lips can be trained to hold the removable dentures in place, for which the way we position our teeth is very important. The third most crucial aspect is how the bite is. So when I say bite is how the upper and the lower teeth closes, right? So these are the three most important elements when it comes to capturing the details of our mouth, of our position of the teeth, which is going to help us to have a normal function, a good function for us to bite, speak well, eat well and smile with confidence. So when it comes to capturing all these things, there is a denture called BPS system, which is called the biofunctional prosthetic system, which tries to replicate the naturally occurring things that are happening in the mouth into the denture. Because it is trying to replicate as much as what is there in the nature, it replaces teeth as close to nature and has a very good long-term functional results that can be achieved with BPS system. So how does it do? So when it comes to accurately measuring the jaw, it helps to measure our gum size, the jaw size in a very functional manner. So when I say a functional manner, when we eat, when we chew, the denture is going to sit on our gums and move. So it helps to capture those movements also in the impressions. That is one. Second is, it helps to position the teeth in the most accurate manner which was there in our natural dentition. Because it helps to position the teeth in the most natural, close to natural as possible, it tries to mimic our natural position of the teeth as close to it as possible. Third, when it comes to capturing the bite, we use again a functional movement to capture the bite. So which is our normal day-to-day chewing movements, our swallowing movements helps to capture the bite. Because of all these three things, it gives us a denture that is very close to natural as possible. And also the way the dentures are made, the fit is good, the finish is good, so aesthetics is also very good. So for people who are not, for various reasons, are not able to consider implants or looking at implants at a later date but want to go in for a very good removable replacement, BPS gives you an adequate adequate and satisfactory results in terms of form, function and aesthetics. Thank you. I hope I have answered your question. This is Dr. Arun from Pearls Dentistry. Until next time, bye bye and thank you.
Do you like the video? Press the like button. Do subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive such videos. Thank you.